Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you a bit of a backstory really about how I went from earning zero to over $40,000 in 1 year. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you today is hopefully it will give you some inspiration because maybe you're trying to make money online or you've even tried it in the past and you've failed because let's be honest, who hasn't failed at making money online? But let me come over here and we'll walk through this and I'll show you exactly how all of this works and basically how I earn the money and hopefully how you can also make money with this process. So this is a platform called Warrior Plus and this is an affiliate platform. So it basically means I can literally sign up on here to become an affiliate. I can find products and services that I can recommend and share with people and I can earn a commission for doing so. I can earn anywhere from like say 10% all the way up to 100%. A lot of the time, you believe it or not, you can earn 100% for different products that you find over on this platform. So if I come into here, let me just share this with you because truthfully, this isn't a platform I focus on too much. Well, I genuinely don't really focus on it anymore. I still earn little bits of money from here, but this is from products that I have, recommended and shared content around in the past. So if I come here, look, you can see today I've earned $8.01. Yesterday was 97. The last 7 days and the last 30 days. So I'm not active on this platform at all really. All of these earnings here, these have come in from previous work. But if I come in here, I want to just take you back on a little journey and share this with you because believe it, look, this isn't hard to make money online with. It genuinely isn't. But if I come on here, I'm going to click on here and I'm going to take you back to 2018, okay? Because boy was 2018 a frustrating year. So if I come here, 2018, we'll go here because back then I started learning a bit more about affiliate marketing. I started seeing people earning ridiculous amounts of money and I thought I would like some of that. So come here and I'll show you my earnings for the year. It wasn't very good. So you can see here for the whole of 2018 I earned the grand total of $174.94. Now, comment down below for me, would you have spent nearly a whole year learning about affiliate marketing and trying and implementing it and earning this amount of money and then continue? I'd be interested to know. But look, if you don't know how this works is, over here we've got the different products, okay? So these were all the different products that I was an affiliate for. Over here we have something called hops. So that basically means I got an affiliate link and I shared that in numerous different places. People clicked on that. So somehow, somewhere, I managed to convince 798 people to click on my affiliate link. Pretty good. However, this is where it goes downhill. From nearly 800 people, only 16 people purchased a product. So I had a conversion rate of 2%, which is terrible by any standards. And then come along here, you can see average sale and the grand total. Okay, so it wasn't that great. But then what happened was I purchased the course. It wasn't a lot of money. It cost me $7. I went through that course, and by the end of it, I literally, it was a case of going back to basics, setting up the fundamentals of everything to do with affiliate marketing properly, and I implemented what I learned. So if we then fast forward to 2019, I'll share with you how much I earned for the year of 2019 to December, and we'll click on go. So you can see here it was a little over $41,000. Now you see up here we have got hops, we have got sales, and you can also see the conversion rate was a hell of a lot better, average sale and average hop. So it was a pretty decent year in terms of affiliate marketing over on this one platform here. So I did a lot better. So what did I do, drastically different that helped me with this? So let's go over here and we'll start the beginning of this for you because, if you are trying to make money, this is the process that I went through. So the first one is we come over to this website over here and it's called Munchie.com. Over on this website here, you can find, you see up here, the Eye of Internet Marketing Launches. This will show you all of the products which are launching into the marketplace, whether that be on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and many more. You can see down here we've got ClickBank here, I'm sure we've got Digistore and a few others. So what happens here is on the right hand side you can see the name of the person, the product, how much it is and how much you can earn. So I'll just go into the first one as an example. But what I would do is I would come on here and I'd click on here and I would go into every single one of these and I'd click on where it says here JV page, okay? So I can see in a snapshot the name of the person who's the creator of the product or the course. We've got the actual product, Auto Profit Links Pro, I have no idea what that is. But if I come down here, you can see it's $17, I'll earn 50%. And if I click on JV page, this is where you can find out a lot more information. So normally you have a video here from the creator telling you, why you should promote it, what it's all about. Scroll further on the page here. Look, everything, this is what the product is. So all of this on the right hand side is what is included in here. You normally find this here is known as a funnel. We've got competitions on here and other bits. But the first thing that I would do once I landed on any of these pages here is come all the way down to the bottom and I'm looking for this here. The reason why I'm looking for this, normally it's a Facebook profile or an email, and I would message them and send them an email or a message and say, look, can I go ahead and get review access to the product because I'm going to create a review article or a YouTube video for you or something like that. And what happens is they will give you the product in exchange for you doing a review. It helps them and it helps you. So that's the first thing that I would do. I'd want to get review access to this. And look, in the beginning, some days I would message 20 people and I'd only get 1 or 2 responses back. And what happens is over time, they instead of you having to message people, they just normally send you all of the information for you. Now, the other thing to let you know about is this, this here is what is known as a funnel. So basically, you're marketing the product, which is $17. So somebody goes in the funnel and they purchase this product here. They then have these things here, which are called OTOs or one-time offers. This one's ridiculous, to be honest with you. It's got 6 upsells. But basically, somebody could purchase this, and then once they've purchased that, they're going to the next page, which is this one over here. And you can see here, look, it will cost $67. So if the person says, I don't want that, and then what normally happens is they say, we'll take $20 off for you. You can now get the same thing, but for $20 cheaper. And if they say no, thank you to that, they're then going to OTO number to etc, etc. So the reason why you can earn some pretty good money over on this platform is, you can earn 50 to 100% on a lot of the products. And then you can also earn from the sales of all of these down here. It's ridiculous, isn't it, to be honest with you? So sending somebody over to this product here, and you could potentially earn, looking at this funnel here, you could earn up to $100 per person that you send into this funnel. It sounds great in hindsight. So I would go through, I would get review access, I would look at all of the information on here, and the final things that I started to do was, so on here you can get your link to Warrior Plus. You can also get, if I come over here, I'll show you this as well, because this is when it started changing for me. You see where it says JV document. I'm going to click on there and it opens up into a new tab. On here you can find out more information. So you can find out the date it's launching, the price, the platform. You can click here to get your affiliate link. You can also check out the sales page. Come down here, you can even get email swipes. So basically, if I open this up for you, this is pre-done emails that, if you're lazy and you can't be bothered to write an email yourself, you can literally just copy this. Look, they give you the subject lines, and then they also include, here is where you put your affiliate link. And there's normally, as you can see on here, there's normally 3 or 4 of these different email swipes that you can use yourself. The other thing what I want to share with you is, come down here, is the bonus that I've seen here as well. They've actually included on here review access. So for this product here, look, for this you don't even have to reach out to them. You can literally just go over to the website here and sign up and review the product. If I come down here, the other thing is this. So this is when things started changing for me, was when I started including bonuses inside of an affiliate product. Inside of an affiliate campaign. And what that means is it's like an ethical bribe. What I'm saying to somebody is, instead of buying this product from Tom over here or Jane, you can go ahead and purchase it via my link, and I will not only give you this bonus here, I will give you this bonus, etc. So I would go ahead and put together a bonus package which was relevant to the products that I was promoting. And the final thing, what changed all of this for me, was focusing on one traffic source. So previously I would be maybe looking at Quora, I'd be looking at blog posts, I'd be looking at Facebook, YouTube and other bits. I literally decided, well, I went through this course and it kept saying focus on one traffic method. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to focus purely on YouTube. I'm going to put together great bonus packages for any product that I'm promoting. And literally, that is how I started getting success online. I was just going through all of this process that we've gone through here. I was looking at products, seeing if it would, at the time, in my opinion, be beneficial and help people. I would then put together bonus packages which were relevant to the actual product because, this product here, these bonuses here, these might not be relevant to it at all. So I would look for bonuses which would enhance the front end product and, actually help people out in whichever method it was regarding making money online. And that there is purely how I went from, earning zero, well, $100 in a year to over 40,000. I would focus on YouTube. I would create the content on YouTube. I would build awesome bonus packages for this. And at the same time, I would be building an email list. And the thing is, all of these things here, these are all basics when it comes to affiliate marketing. The only thing I had to do was stay consistent. Now look, if you want to check it, there's a link down below. You can go ahead and check it out. It will share with you the same course which I went through, and it cost $7. I'll also drop a link below for you over to my blog. You can come over here, click on affiliate marketing, and if you scroll down once you're on affiliate marketing, there's lots of resources on there for you to learn about affiliate marketing. We have review products. I share case studies on here. I share courses. I share lots of different articles about affiliate marketing because, in my opinion, it is without a doubt the easiest way for anyone to start making money online and from home. You don't need any skills. You definitely don't need any experience. And, you're not having to deal with, customer complaints or postage and packaging or anything like that. You can literally sign up with a platform like Warrior Plus or like ClickBank or anyone. You can start getting your links, creating content, and literally building up an email list and your online business at the same time as making money. It isn't a difficult process, you just need to learn the basics. So look, all of the links are down below for you. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.